guys, I'm gonna share my personal experience of the soap Gugo shampoo bar with aloe vera and shea butter.
Part 2 will talk about Lavish Gugu Shampoo
Yun
Bar.
lang akin nag-work. So for this, the first day is hindi talaga ako sanay to use this. Kasi yung usual shampoo that I use, syempre, iba liquid eh. And this is soap siya. Iba ang personal review ko nito on the first day. Pa ako sure noon. Sabi ko, gamitin ko ba to? Oo, hindi. Sabi ko, few days later, pinapansin din ako sa hair. Kasi ko is like, syempre parang as we age, napapanipis na rin yan. It's getting thinner. Pansin ko lang parang few days later, parang tumayo yung hair. Something like that. At saka parang nakakalm yung hair. I haven't used this. And may napapansin lang ako at the end of the day. Alam mo, mas mabilis siya mag-white, mag-gray hair, mag-whiter. Especially nagkulay ka na, parang ganun, mas mabilis nawawala. Pero now, pansin ko, when I started using this, parang mas hindi gaano natatanggal agad-agad yung kulay ng buhok ko. So this is my own personal thought of this. Kasi maganda rin, it's really nice to come back on the vlog again to remember, there's times na malilimutan mong gamitin din to eh. So when I have the vlog this, maaalala natin siya. Maalala ko, maalala natin, and probably others mabe-bless din sa nagawa nito ng soap. It really helps to me. And on how I will use it, when I'm home yan, madalas ang gamit ko. So yan lang lagi. Pagka nasa labas ka na, syempre, iba na. I would use the shampoo. Wala silang shampoo liquid, so ibang shampoo na. And then, nilalaro ko lang sila. So, I'm really glad they have made this. Kasi I can use the other one. Parang paminsan-minsan na lang yung isa. Mas madalas ito. Kasi, ayan o, mabilis siyang, for me sa akin, mabilis siyang nag-strengthen, nag-lessen yung hair fall. Hindi hair fall, pero mas napansin ko mas wala ngayon. Yung nalalagas ng buhok, totally wala. So I hope this also helps to all of you. Next, I'm going to talk about the setting spray.